Okay, this is the fun part. It's stressful. No matter how many times I do it, it's stressful. If you mess this up, you mess the whole DIY. Just kidding, it's not that serious. But like, don't mess up. Fierce on camera, B, you ready for this? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, this was way too much paint. Whoa, look at this bubble. Wow. Fly in the craft room, fly in the craft room. Okay, so you just wanna pour it right off the corner. Oh no, come on, make it. Yeah, that's it, we're pretty much done. We're gonna let it dry. That was freakishly fast. Okay, we're done with this. Okay guys, last decision of the day. I'm exhausted, you're exhausted. We've made so many decisions today, but most importantly, what are we doing for dinner? Cooking, like cooking, or takeout! Takeout! That sounds really good, right? We worked really hard today. Cooking is like, oh no, it's okay, but like, yo, like honestly, don't do me like that. We deserve this. We deserve this, guys. Option B.